The methods presented here allow the quantification of DNA lesions induced by oxidative stress, contributing to the understanding of pathophysiological mechanisms that may be targeted for prevention and treatment of diseases. Selectivity and sensitivity are the main advantages. Selectivity is an essential advantage when working with complex biological samples. HPLC coupled to tandem mass spectrometry evolved as the gold standard for this type of quantification with biological matrices.
Oxidative stress is a common event to different pathophysiological processes. Increased levels of ethynyl adducts have been detected in tissues or urine of patients with inflammatory diseases. The DNA lesions also provide information on endogenous events triggered by exposure to pollutants. If the DNA lesions are increased, the exposure may be at a level that increases the risk of cancer development, for example. The lesions can be quantified in DNA from any cellular system and alternatively in urine, plasma, saliva, culture medium, with adaptations in sample preparation.
To begin, use a culture plate placed on ice as a base to cut a piece of tissue with a scalpel. Weigh 1 gram of the tissue in each 50 milliliter capped tube for immediate use. Keep the remaining tissue on dry ice before storing at -80 degrees Celsius. To each tube, add 10 milliliters of the commercial cell lysis solution containing 0.5 millimolar deferoxamine and keep on ice. Set the tissue homogenizer to a low speed, around 60 to 90 rpm. Homogenize the tissues on